Hello, my dear insightful parents. In our conversations in a quarter, uh, we have somebody very special. She's Jayati Mathur. She is a lesbian, and I'm saying it so openly because that is something that we think there is something wrong with it, and I want to change that. It's an issue that we need to address as parents. I see that my child is absolutely open to all kinds of gender choices, and this generation who's coming up is absolutely okay. It is we who have, when we were growing up, we had a lot of these taboos and stigmas attached to it, and when we hold on to that, we are damaging our own children. And we have somebody who came out at the age of 30, and we are going to hear from her what you need to know as parents when it comes to gender orientation and choice of sexual orientation. So thank you, Jayati, for this conversation with us. So jumping straight in, share us about your journey.
Thank you, Vimal, for calling me for this interview. And my journey, well, as a person from the LGBT community, started after 30, because till 30 I was trying to hide myself from myself. So, it was a difficult time because I spent quite a lot of my youth understanding myself and why I am the way I am. And there were quite a lot of inhibitions in myself, and I hate also for myself for being the way I am. And uh, and I would never understand why it is happening, what is happening with me. And I grew up in a very beautiful environment where uh, we have the right kind of speech happening. But since my parents were not aware of how gender or sexual orientation kid should be dealt with, they dealt like any other parent is dealing, is that they did not tell me about it. I kept on showing signs of being with my spending a lot of time with my guy friends, playing around and being very boyish, keeping my. But I was allowed. I was allowed to be myself. I was allowed to have short hairs. I was allowed to wear whatever I want to wear, pant shirt, short pant shirt. But we never had a conversation at home that this is also there. And I never heard about it in my childhood, that you can be of the same sex and be interested in the same sex. So ये पूरा concept ही नहीं था, हमें पता ही नहीं था ये सब होता भी है. So this whole unawareness of the facts created a lot of anxiety and questions in my mind, and I had nobody to ask them, because I thought there's something really wrong with me. It's like if you have any sexual disease, you don't talk about it.
Right.
You don't want to talk about it. Similarly, I thought that there's something wrong with me. There's some mental issue with myself, which is why I'm thinking like that. And let me focus. Let me focus on my work. Let me focus on my life, and let's not think about it. Think about it. But it kept on coming in my life. Had it been addressed at the childhood, I would have not spent so much of valuable time brooding about am I like this because I'm like this, is this why everything is happening with me? I'm against the nature, which is why the God is punishing me. Many ways I thought that God is punishing me because of being involved with another woman or being involved in the same sex relationship. So ये सब चीजें दिमाग में आती थी और हमको हमेशा तकलीफ देती हैं कि nobody wants to be a bad kid, nobody wants to be a bad person, nobody wants to be a bad human in the society. And फिर आप अपने ही दिमाग में सोच के पकाते रहते हो whatever your tiny mind can think. And that does take you to places where you don't want to be. There is no safe space for you to talk. There is no place in your mind where you can you can appreciate or feel special about it. Nobody's telling you that you are special. So these things does impact you, and it does lead to you unhealthy state of mind, जो मेरे साथ में भी हुआ. But when I came out to myself, it was a big relief. Then I came out to my mother, and she was a great support, which gave me a lot of strength, a strength to the extent that I came out to the entire world. and I started an organization in the name of Vaju Society. The strength came from the family. My all they had to say is that yes, it's okay. I mean, you can't do anything about it. It's not that you have a role to play here. And my parents know about it. My mother knew about my orientation. She could not put me anywhere because she also herself was not aware of the names. Now we have come up with LGBTQAI, but she knew that I am interested in the same sex. So, and for me, it was a huge fight because I thought that I am a man. The only way to love a girl or love a woman is to be a man. So I need to go through a surgery to be a man, and then I can be with a woman. And how do I do this? How do I have this conversation with my parents? Should I be having this conversation? And sometimes lightly I used to say also, and everybody used to laugh. तो वो सब चीजें ना हवा हो जाती थी बातों बातों में, कोई सीरियसली नहीं लेता था, सबको लगता था ये एक फेस है. ये फेस नहीं है, कोई फेस नहीं है, ये आप बस दबाते हो अपने आप को. ये चॉइस भी नहीं है. यू हैव यूज्ड द वर्ड चॉइस. इट्स नॉट इवन अ चॉइस कि मैं चूज कर लूं कि नहीं मैं ठीक है, मैं हम दबा देते हैं अपने आप. वी डिसाइड कि इतना फाइट करने से क्या फायदा है फॉर अवर ओन सेल्फ बेनिफिट. And for what? You will lose your family, you will lose your friends, your whole support system. So is it worth? And actually, to be honest, my orientation is only 5% of my entire existence, and which I want to keep it like that, and it can be kept like that if you address it at the initial stages. So my journey started, and then Vajood started. Vajood was created to create safe spaces again, because in Hyderabad there were no safe spaces for people to talk and realize that it is okay to the way you feel, and to discuss about your heartbreaks, your dysphorias, your own personal hate that you have developed in this whole time. So that's how we started Vajood. We did a lot of workshops on sexuality and gender, and how gender is fluid. It's like there is a man and a woman in everybody, and how we need to not address uh, people by their gender, but by how they are feeling, and let the person tell you how they want to be addressed. So these were the sensitizations. Now there's a lot of dysphoria within the community also about different sex spectrums. Like lesbians would not know much about the gays would not know much about the lesbians, or transgenders, or transsexuals, or intersex, and asexuals, and bisexuals. So these are the whole spectrum where, so the to be able to understand each other is very important, to create some lack of, because the hate is so much within us that that there was a hate for others also.
Yes.
Like if I am lesbian and the other person is gay, I have a hate for him. I mean, what is there for you to lose? You are a man, you get married to a woman, and you produce a kid, and there your job is done, and you are already having a relationship outside. All this life, all this while you are having a relationship, even if your wife comes to know about it, she will come into terms with it, because getting out of marriage is more difficult for a woman rather than the man, because it's a patriarchal world. So now this feeling of that you are able to do it, and so this is also hate. It's kind of a hate. Then the hate for the bisexuals. The bisexuals are considered as people who enjoy both the world. I mean उनको जहाँ जैसा मिलेगा, चाहे मेल हो या फीमेल हो, चलेगा. It's a very loose talk to do, but it's actually not that. They are very intellectual people. They look at people from mind. If they like the brain, if they like the person, they go for it. They are beyond genders. They don't think of a gender of a person. So these are the small sensitizations which we need to create within ourselves, so that we become a good community together. And then we became allied to each other. Like lesbians are talking about gays are talking about transgenders are talking about intersex. And we are becoming ally of each other is more important than thinking of everybody becoming our ally. So that was the whole purpose. We worked with US Consulate also, and we did the first queer film festival in Hyderabad. We were also the part of the first Pride Walk in Hyderabad.
Lovely.
And quite a lot of firsts. We got into quite a lot of fights with the religious groups who wanted to stop us, and we stood tall. And trust me, I was able to do it because my parents were there with me. I know that my mother knows about me. I know my mother is aware of what I'm doing, and she has always given me strength. That if you're right, you're right. You know, and if you're wrong, you have to bend down and you have to learn, understand what is the right, what is right. So you need to be always open to be a student and a teacher.
Okay.
Of whatever information you have, you are a teacher. But whatever information you don't have, you are a student.
True.
तो अगर आपको कुछ नहीं पता है या आपको कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो वो गलत नहीं है. आपको कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो आपको उसको समझने की जरूरत है.
Correct.
आप हमेशा के एकदम सर्वव्यापी नहीं है. आपको सारी इंफॉर्मेशन है. आप पढ़ के आए हैं, आप बाप बन गए तो मतलब आपको सब कुछ पता है. ये कोई लिखा के नहीं आता है कि आप फादर बन गए तो आप अच्छे भी हो गए सडनली अगर आप फादर बन गए, और अगर आपकी बेटी है तो आप बहुत ही अच्छे बाप हैं. ये सब जो ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. आपको बनना पड़ता है फादर, आपको बनना पड़ता है माँ बाप, माँ. जस्ट बाय गिविंग बर्थ यू डोंट. इवन एक शेरनी, एक जानवर भी अपने बच्चे की प्रोटेक्शन करता है. लेट मी टेल यू, टिल द किड इज एबल टू protect, the offspring is able to protect themselves, and we are not doing that job. Imagine, हम उनसे भी गए गुजरे हो गए हैं कि हमारे पास में इतना भी समय नहीं कि हम अपने बच्चे को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकें. बस पाल के मतलब कि पैदा करके छोड़ दिया. एक कुत्ता भी अपने बच्चे को इधर से उधर लेके जाता है कि यहाँ पे बारिश हो रही है तो वहां से उठा के वहां रखेगा, वहां से उठा के वहां रखेगा, उसको सारे सब तरह से बचाता है. एंड यू डोंट हैव एनी करेज इन योरसेल्फ एंड यू कॉल योरसेल्फ पेरेंट्स. तो ये सब चीजों को हम एड्रेस करना चाहते थे हमेशा से. तो वी स्पोक अबाउट इट. वी हैड लॉट ऑफ पेरेंट मीटिंग्स आल्सो. लाइक हमने कई सारे ऑडियो विजुअल्स पे हमारा ज्यादा जोर था, तो हमने ऑडियो विजुअल्स करे. एंड कुछ थिएटर करे where a kid is coming out to his mother through his diary which she finds out. So they were pretty impactful, and we created quite a lot of spaces. Now there are thankfully we have good lot of spaces here where people are able to meet, interact, and now Vajood has come to the next step of because we realize that coming out and living a individual life is not very easy. You need a support system. There's nobody who has trained you for a life which is not heterosexual. So and there is no reference of a life which is not heterosexual. So now we have come up with a different concept of working on the mental health of the youth of LGBT, working with the parents of the youth of LGBT, and working with the parents in general, actually, to aware that there is a spectrum here, and it's something which is natural. It is not difficult. It's not a disease. It's not a mental imbalance. It becomes a mental imbalance if it is not addressed at the right time. Right. If you are a man and I don't let you be a man, I don't let you wear your men clothes. I make you wear women clothes, and I make you go and sing, but you want to play cricket. You know how suppressed you would feel from the childhood. Right. From the childhood, you have been made to behave in a way which is completely against how you are thinking, and you're completely telling every time that no, I don't want to wear a sari. I want to wear a pant and a shirt. I want to cut my hair, and I'm making you grow your hair, wear all the ornaments and imagine, just imagine right now if I start putting that pressure on you right now. That today you are told that from now on you will not wear what you're wearing. Do whatever you do. You go to work, go, but you go in that sari to work. Will you be yourself for a second? How are people not thinking on those lines? How is it so easy? अरे try तो करके देखो. हो सकता है कि तुम्हारा gender different हो. Try करके देखो. तुमने try किया कभी जिंदगी में? आप कभी गए हो किसी आप फादर हो, चलो ठीक है आज आप फादर बन गए हो. Have you been with a man before? Then how can you say that you are straight? True. And you want me to go to a woman to a man and prove myself that I am straight? You are not ready to do that. आपको नहीं, आपको लगता है आप क्या ऊपर से पैदा हो क्या है? आपको सब कुछ सीख के आए आप? सारे डिस्फोरियाज मेरे अंदर ही है. आपकी जिंदगी में आप कुछ कर नहीं पाए तो अब सब कुछ मैं एक बच्चा हूं आपका, आप मेरे ऊपर निकालेंगे. तो आपको अपने स्ट्रेस प्रेशर्स को बच्चे से दूर रखना है, वो उसकी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। क्यों लाए उसको जिंदगी में आप? कोई प्रेशर था आपको? मर्दानगी साबित करनी थी आपको? साबित करना था कि आई एम फर्टाइल? इज दिस द रीजन व्हाई यू ब्रिंगिंग किड्स टू दिस वर्ल्ड? then this is absolutely, it's absolutely absolutely wrong, it's absolutely unethical. और आप अपने खून के साथ में, आपको वहां प्यार नहीं है, वहां पे आपको अटैचमेंट नहीं है, आप चाहते हो दुनिया आके आपके बच्चे के ऊपर में काम करे, आप अपने बच्चे पे काम नहीं करना चाहते। आप भाई बहुत बिजी हैं, क्यों भाई? मैं अपने बच्चे के लिए कमा रहा हूँ। कुछ ज्यादा चूचा करता है उसको एक आईफोन पकड़ा देते हैं, ज्यादा इरिटेट करता है तो उसको एक आईपैड लाके दे देते हैं। आप उनको मटेरियल थिंग्स से फिल कर रहे हो, व्हाट अबाउट देयर इमोशनल गैप्स? हु इज फिलिंग देयर इमोशनल फिलअप्स? पैसे से आप इंसान, आप कंप्यूटर खरीद सकते हो, पैसे से आप एक रोबोट खरीद सकते हो, खरीद लो भाई। बच्चा करने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको, कोई कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है, कोई आप निजाम का या कोई किंग का खून नहीं है जो आपकी अगर जनरेशन खत्म हो जाएगी तो बहुत बड़ा लॉस हो जाएगा हिस्ट्री को। Absolutely, and we can actually look at this on a very serious note because हम already overpopulated हैं,
Correct.
and if that population, हमारे पास already इतना ब्रेन है, पूरी वर्ल्ड हमारे दिमाग का इस्तेमाल कर रही है, सिर्फ हम छोड़ के। Everybody is bowing to our brain power except for us. We are abusing it. So this is actually, I'm lost, but yeah, this is exactly what we want to do this time, is work with the parents, work with the kids, and explain them this is natural, and there is a huge history behind it, there's a huge science behind it. We are open for parents to come to us and talk about it. We have sessions, we can arrange sessions, we can arrange workshops, and to guide them, to educate them. They don't know about it, let's have an open mind, know about it, and then you come into this understanding. Don't take your kid to these doctors who say that they can cure homosexuality. It's like saying that I will say that I can cure heterosexuality. Yeah,
True.
come to me, I'll share. Anyways, you have not tried with your same sex, come, we will try. There have been so many correctional rapes which have been done by the brothers and the relatives of the girl to make her realize that she is straight.
My God.
आप इसको बोलते हो ये लाइफ है? आप उसके बाद में सोचते हो बच्चा दिमाग में सही सोचेगा? फिर बोल दो अरे तो पागल है। कौन बनाया उसको पागल? पागल बच्चा पैदा हुआ था क्या? आप इतने सप्रेशन में, ये किस बात का अहम है माँ बाप को? किस बात का अहम है? जिंदगी में आप अपने जिंदगी को आप सही नहीं रख सकते हैं, कोई भी नहीं रख सकता है। देयर इज नो सच थिंग कॉल्ड परफेक्ट वर्ल्ड, देयर इज नो सच थिंग कॉल्ड परफेक्ट लाइफ। आपने गुड गुड की जिंदगी जी है, एटलीस्ट बच्चे को तो सांस लेके जीने दो। दे आर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, दे डोंट नीड योर सपोर्ट, दे आर वेरी स्मार्ट। जस्ट गिव देम अ टाइम टू जस्ट ग्रो इन देयर ओन वे। ये सही नहीं है, ये गलत नहीं है, किसने बोला आपको? उनसे तो आप भी लड़े थे जब उन्होंने बोला था आपको, आपके माँ बाप ने, कि ये सही नहीं है, गलत नहीं है, और अब फिर वही लेके आप यहाँ आ रहे हो। So these scenarios have to be changed in people. They have no right to screw up with the generations. They can decide not to have kids, adopt animals, and और वो भी एक बहुत बड़ा काम है by the way। अगर आप सोचते हो कि अब जानवर को रखना मुश्किल का आसान काम है, तो वो बहुत बड़ा काम है, because pet remains a kid all their life. तो कोई जबरदस्ती नहीं है। Is what we are trying to tell people is that if you want to be a parent, be an educated parent about your kid. Okay, that's where the life will be. So yeah, this is where we will be working on going forward. We have just done a workshop on the mental health of the youth of LGBT. 2 days of webinar. So very inspiring, and we spoke about various topics on heartbreaks and lack of support system, uh, and how it leaves a person vulnerable. So we will be continuing doing such workshops in future also. This was funded by the US Consulate. I'm also an IVLP with the US Consulate. It's an international visitors leadership program. where the consulate selects someone from the country. So I was selected from India for addressing for the LGBT issues in 2013. So I went for that program to US for 3 weeks. So I am now an alumni. So we get funded if we present our work, present our proposal. So now we are thinking of taking it on a very huge level. We are working with the corporates to uh, create sensitization within the offices, so that if they find someone special, they treat them special. And if there is any even insight of someone uh, who is behaving in a special way, should be, sensitive. The people should be around sensitive enough to take it as in an open way, that if you don't understand something, it is not wrong. It is just you don't know about it, and it's your opportunity to learn.
All right. So
Yeah,
thank you so much for this time, Jayati. It was absolutely amazing.
you're welcome.
I was completely into the conversation, just listening to you, the passion that you have, and the 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 conviction that you have, the way you talk about parents. And yes, this is meant for, see, as parents, you need to understand that don't become an ostrich and put your head in the hole and say that, okay, if I cannot, if I ignore it, doesn't exist. No, just because
Absolutely.
you don't know, you do not know, does not mean that it doesn't exist. And if you really love your child for who the child is, not for what you want him or her to be, behave in a particular way, become something. Just love the child unconditionally. And the choice of sexual orientation is their choice, not yours. And
It's not a
like
choice.
not
It's
a
not a
choice.
choice.
Yeah, sorry, it is. It's not their choice, but it is something that you are born with.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
so they cannot help it.
Yeah.
Whether
The parents
you
are equally responsible.
Yes, parents are equally responsible. So, what I want to share with you is that I need you to get educated. We'll put a link of Vajoot, details of
Sure.
Vajoot. Reach out to them if you feel that you need education, if you feel that your child is coming out and trying to tell you, because they're very scared not to hurt you. And the best
Yeah.
gift you
Yeah.
give them is open your hearts to them, open your arms to them, and say that, beta, whatever or your choice, sorry, whatever your orientation is. See, I'm also from the old
Schools.
thought
Yeah.
process. I'm
I
desperately
understand.
trying to learn. Okay, so it's okay if you thought differently, but it is time we changed, you and I together. Okay, and
Absolutely.
if we put our hearts and our heads together, we can really make a difference and see our children flourish in their lives and be successful and happy more than anything else. And I think as parents, that's what gives us the most happiness. So thank you for
True.
this conversation, Jayati. This has been invaluable for us. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Same here. I hope it opens up some minds.
Absolutely,
And we are
absolutely.
open. We are open for any discussions with anybody, whosoever is free, and they can trust on us. It will always be kept very, very confidential.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye.